What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, it's been some time since I've last vlogged or done any video for that fact on the Mark 7 Golf GTI. It's been a busy month, that's why I've not had the chance to push out a video. So thanks for sticking with it guys, and hopefully there's some good content in this video. If not, then there's not. So, the main thing about this video is, as you can probably tell by the title, that it's going. So my GTI is going. After nearly 2 years of ownership, I have to change the job. That means I have to change the car. So some of you might know, some of you might not. I'm in the army, but at the end of this month, I won't be in the army. So I'm starting a new job. So that entails a new car. So that's going. I'm a little bit out of breath because jumping over the log. But anyway, let's get into the video. So before we start, just going to put the glasses on because it's a nice day. So you can see this here. So I've gone to obviously open the sunshades because that's how you put them on your head, and this bit's just come off. Sun dry. Fantastic glasses. Who would have thought it, eh? But still work. A little bit wonky, but we'll get through it. So, leaving the job, new job, probably get into that in a new video. If you have any questions on the army or how fit you need to be, obviously not that fit because I couldn't even jump over a log, but no, seriously, I was a PTI in the army as well, so if you've got any fitness questions or you want an army style video, comment below, happy to help you out, but that's not the aim of this video, so let's get back into the car video. So, there's a few options, and I'm going to run through them options now. So, Golf GTI, I've had like 3 Mark 5 Golf GTIs in the past, and then obviously between them I've had different cars, but I've always seemed to come back to VW. So I'm kind of attached to VW, if you like, and I have like a sort of a close bond with them that I really like. So I'm thinking Golf R. I've already had some quotes priced up and stuff like that, or Focus RS, or the Mercedes A45 AMG. So they're the sort of 3 candidates that I've come up with. I've also been looking at the BMW 330 diesel. Now, I've never had a BMW. It's a diesel, but the torque in the 330s are unbelievable. Well, on paper anyway, but I'm imagining they're pretty quick. So yeah, good fuel consumption, and obviously getting the power there as well. If any of you guys have got them cars, please comment below and help me out here, because I want to make the right decision, because this car is going to be with me for the next sort of few years. So I want to make sure that I'm making the right choice and not just spunking my money, if you like, and then changing it in a couple of days. So yeah guys, I need help on this one. It's not a very exciting video, this, I know. I am going to try and sort something out that's exciting. Don't know really what, but I need your help. Okay, so comment below down there, get it liked. Probably going to take you on a little drive now. Why? Because I can. And if you want to watch it, watch it. If you don't, don't. Please subscribe though. GTD. I actually considered one of them as well, but I don't know. It's just the diesel, innit? I don't know. Help me out, guys. Help me out. Let's go for a drive. Also guys, I've been having a lot of questions about this soundtrack thing, that when you put it into sport mode, obviously that fake V8 sound comes through. Does it happen? The questions are, does it happen when you're not? So eco mode, no. Normal, once it's selected, put your foot down, no. So to answer that guys, obviously in individual, which is the last option on the GTI, the R is different. On individual you can set the soundtrack to be on or off, so that's up to you. So to answer that, in sport mode yes, the other two no. If you can hear a rumble through the sound on this, it's because obviously I've took my resonator out of my exhaust, so when I've got it in eco and normal mode you can still hear a little bit of a rumble because that's the exhaust. But yeah, am I in sport? No, minimal. So yeah, so you get that fake V8 sound, which is a bit shite, but so guys, that is the end of the video. Bit of a mashed up random one, but ultimately I need you to help me down below in the comment section, and just let me know if you've got these cars that I'm talking about, then let me know about, you know, are they good daily drivers, are they not? Would you prefer to go for the other one? I know it's personal opinion, but it would help out a great deal. You can only read reviews, and you know, it's good to get a mixed gathering sometimes, so this is the perfect platform to do that. So if you guys help me out and comment below, make sure you smash the like button because the channel needs to grow. It's been flopping a little bit. Thanks to all the new subscribers though, and welcome. The videos, I hope, are normally better than this. They are better than this. I'm going to start getting into some more cars. I need to start doing it. I've just been being lazy lately. But yeah, so smash the like button, comment below, help me out. Subscribers are going good at the moment. We're getting up there, nearly 2,500 subscribers, which I can't even thank you enough for. Might not seem like nothing. It might seem like not a lot really, and it isn't compared to a lot of people. It's nothing at all. But for me, I'm, you know, pretty appreciative of that. So thank you. And I keep saying because I don't know what to say. And that's it. That's the end of the video. So look forward to the next video, which will probably be in another 7 months' time. Nah, I'm joking. Hopefully next week. Guys, let me know. Also, remember what I said about the army videos as well. If you want me to do a few of them, you probably don't, but if you do, if you're new and you want to be you want to join the army, comment below and ask me some questions and I'll make a video on it. If you want me to, that's fine. If not, don't worry about it. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.